Now we have 141 wins, 0 losses, 0 active trades, and out of these 141 wins, 118 of them did not need buy limits. This brings us to a value of about 83.69. We're going to round up to 84% accuracy on these indicators. Bitcoin appears to be consolidating after a massive run to the upside over the past few days. As we trade between, as we scroll down here, $60,000 and $65,000. When and in which direction can we expect a breakout to happen? Big moves are incoming for Bitcoin. I am very excited about the prospects of these next couple coming weeks. Let me show you exactly what we at Trade Confident think is going to happen. Let's get started. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. As of today, we are 141 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. We're going to head over to trade setups, and I'm happy to say at this point, we've officially won every single trade we have called out in the past year. 0 active trades. I can scroll down and show you every single one of these profits. Absolutely insane what we've been able to accomplish here. Congratulations to the members that have been following along with us and are in major profit because of it. Now, our members get access to the trade setups as well as the brand new members only future forecast video that was posted today. Here is how to exit Bitcoin and alts for peak gains. Millionaires will be made from this data today. We all want the same thing, right? To exit crypto at the top. Well, in today's analysis, Travis is going to show you the 9 metrics and indicators that have called the peak of Bitcoin and altcoins in every market cycle. We are so confident you'll be able to time the top of Bitcoin and alts with this data that we're going to show you today. Do not miss out on this future forecast video. It is going to be crucial as we move through the bull market. Do not miss out on the next trade setups. Once again, 141 wins, 0 losses in our trades. With that, let's get started. We're going to head over to the homepage here. I'm going to take you down to Bitcoin to begin our metrics. Bitcoin emotional index here has dropped into excited territory after a small drop in price. Nothing too surprising here. Generally, this is going to be still slightly bearish, but with the massive bullish pressure in the market, we do need to take this with a grain of salt. We need to be watching what whales are doing generally during a bull market. What I want everyone to pay attention to is right here. We saw a little tiny bit of consolidation, tiny channel pattern with a drop, which resulted in a greedy reading dropping all the way into anxious. So even small movements are going to affect this chart quite a bit in the bull market. So even if the price does drop a little bit and we retest $60,000 with a candle close, I think this could drop us down into anxious territory, where we could see bullish movements again. Next up, I want to talk to you about Bitcoin whale smart money metric. There is still a ton of short trade sentiment, but remember how little it took to transfer over to long trades. Remember, a tiny drop right here resulted in a long trade sentiment bar, and that resulted in massive pumps in the market. Very exciting here. One thing that does concern me, though, and you need to be paying attention to, is the fact that the Bitcoin whale money flow relative to price chart actually shows a sharp decrease in whale money. As of right now, it does appear to have bottomed out a little bit. We're moving sideways, but as we check out the live charts, stay tuned for that. We need to be very careful. This is the main one you're going to want to pay attention to, because where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. If whale money drops sharply, it could actually cause a break back down in price to a maximum of around $50,000. That would be the absolute worst case scenario. I don't think that's likely. I think even if we do see a move down, it will see a drop, but it'll just be a fantastic buy opportunity for the next move back up in the market. If whale money pushes back into the market, this is going to cause another breakout to the upside, possibly testing previous all-time highs. And I'll show you again what that's going to look like in the live charts. Stay tuned. And last but not least is going to be the Bitcoin trade signals chart. Now, just before we consolidated last time, actually multiple times here, right back here, we've been getting sell signals right beforehand. If we get a sell signal, I'm going to take that as a point of major resistance. There's likely a sell wall at that point, but based on previous data, this is likely to result in a short squeeze. Consolidation for a little bit of time here. If a sell signal posts and the rest of the metrics are actually starting to shift more bullish, especially on the indicator charts and the live charts, if things are looking bullish, even with a sell signal, we could actually see a short squeeze at that point. Whales are going to pump the price when it's most likely to drop. So this is why we're relying on sell signals like these to actually call those short trades. Now, if you're a Bitcoin trader, even if you don't trade Bitcoin, it is crucial that you pay attention to Bitcoin, because where the Bitcoin market goes, the rest of the crypto market does too. Update Updates to these metrics happen every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific time. Members get access to the Bitcoin metrics as well as metrics across all 20 coins on our website. As a member, you can watch our future forecast videos that have earned our traders tons of money. It's actually kind of crazy. You can access our trade setups, 141 wins, 0 losses. You can join us for our Inner Circle live Zoom hangouts, valuable information every single month, and of course, many more benefits if you want to join us. Links are going to be in the description down below. We're going to go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the first link. Click that, and it's going to bring you to the membership page. Full access for $59 a month is what you're looking for. Grab a membership now because price increases up to $65 a month are coming April 20th, the estimated halving event date. It's going to include everything I just showed you and more. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we are so excited to trade with you soon. Heading into the live charts, we're looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame. I'm trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicator. And we're going to bring out another indicator here. We haven't seen this in a while, but it's going to be the breakout detector. Now, what I want everyone to pay attention to is right here, this area of consolidation and this area of consolidation. Most often after large pumps in the market, the price is going to distribute funds near the top. Traders are going to distribute their wealth amongst each other. And at that point, we're going to see lower and lower volatility. But low volatility is actually a catalyst for massive moves. As you can see, when we dropped into the breakout zone, we saw massive pumps in the market, especially when we saw price versus well money flow and trades in favor low. Next up, right here, major consolidation at this point. We saw a drop, low volatility, drop into the breakout zone. And at that point, when we saw whale money low, trades in favor low, we got a massive pump to the upside yet again. As you're going to notice here, whale money has dropped significantly, very nearly where we were during the previous drop. Trades in favor is not quite as low yet. I think we may see some consolidation between these two structure resistances. Actually, I got to change this one to support real quick. But I think we could see some consolidation between these 2 points, sitting at $60,000 and $65,000. And this is where you're going to see the indicators really shine. Indicators love the trending market, and this could actually show some really good scalping opportunities between the candles that hit the tops and the bottoms of these resistances. But as this plays out, we want to see a drop into the breakout zone on the breakout detector. At that point, we need to pay very close attention to where we're actually at. As we traded through this small consolidation area, a range of about 3,000, our current range is closer to 5,000. As we saw a drop into the breakout zone and we saw whale money fall down here, as we began testing resistance again, we saw trades in favor low as well. Now, if you see, as you test resistance, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor low, this is a highly bullish point and could show a strong possibility of breakout. Now, for quite a while, we've been paying attention to the 1-day and the 1-week time frame. Now, we're actually going to start paying more attention to the 4-hour time frame as well. This is going to be very crucial because it's going to show you a lot more data. On this chart, price versus well money flow is actually low, trades in favor is low, and we are about to test support. We're already getting a bullish candle, and all we need to see here is well money move into the market, which would likely bring us up to resistance here at $65,000. This is actually a great chart for making these smaller intraday trades or even trades that play out over a couple of days. The 1-day time frame is a little bit better to see larger trends over a week period or so. Now, let's talk about the potential breakout. We are extremely bullish here at Trade Confident. In fact, we are 100% long in the market. Pay attention to those future forecast videos available with the membership to see how we're actually allocated. But the next resistance from $65,000 here, if we scroll up, is going to be $69,000. And you Bitcoin historians, those of you that have been here since the last bull cycle, will know that that is the exact top, the all-time high of Bitcoin right here. And that is the point to beat. If we manage to break $69,000, Bitcoin will once again make history. It's known for doing that. I mean, it just happened in this move right here. In fact, we actually made history once again right then, breaking a 13-year cycle, bringing us to where we're at today. So highly bullish in this market. Institutions are buying Bitcoin like crazy, and that is causing retailers to buy Bitcoin like crazy, all of which are catalysts for a major bull market. Very exciting times in the crypto market, and if you want to be able to navigate this next move and catch the breakout to maximize your profits, the indicators are the way to go. They're responsible for our 141 wins and 0 losses in the last year's worth of trading. In fact, let me show you how accurate they are. We're going to go back to the home page, trade setups, and we're going to drop down to view performance record. And you're going to see a whole bunch of wins. Each of these green cells is a win. You're going to see as high as 15% all the way down to 4%. And as we push further into the bull market, we're going to take larger trades. So get ready for that. Now we have 141 wins, 0 losses, 0 active trades. And out of these 141 wins, 118 of them did not need buy limits. This brings us to a value of about 83.69. We're going to round up to 84% accuracy on these indicators. And from there, we used our risk management strategy using buy limits to buy the dip as it happens, putting us into a better trade position, and then just waiting for profit. It's literally as easy as that, but that makes up for the extra 16% worth of trades, bringing us to our current 100% win rate in the last 12 months. Easy as that, and it's all thanks to the indicators and our risk management. Now, I know you're excited about these indicators. I know I am. If you want to snag them, you can get them for up to $550 off right now. Check this out. Once again, links are going to be in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the second link. Click that. We're going to scroll down to the Pro Indicator Pack. It is significantly cheaper for members to purchase. It is significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one, with that first $150 off. Once you have your membership, access the coupon code at this link, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you a full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we are so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in that future forecast video posted today. Don't miss out.